what they're all about, because some countries the economy is getting worse and you need to have uh, extra source of income. So I'm going to take you to this app. This is called the MT5. So you see that for you to start actually getting your financial freedom on this app, you really need a broker. So you will check my YouTube link in the description of, like in my bio of this TikTok, and then you'll be able to get the link to sign up with the broker. You can actually watch videos on how to create an account on my YouTube channel, so that you'll be able to create an account with this broker and start making money. So what I'm teaching is synthetic and Boomcrash indices. So this is synthetic asset from volatility 10 index down to volatility 101, 251s index, and then the rest jump indices, bench break indices, that's 900 index, and then boom and crash index. There are all the synthetic assets. Synthetic means that there are artificial markets that are not natural. It was man-made. It's not based on physical currencies. That are based on man-made indices that mimic real world market, and they're actually programmed to behave the way they behave. So the market is continuously alive because it is actually programmed to be for infinity of time. So the price keep changing, and your work here is to know when to buy and sell this asset. That's how you actually become financially free. If you buy at the right time, you make massive profit because it's highly volatile, and then it is called volatility indices because of the high volatility. So if you know when to sell and you sell, you make massive profit. So what I'm going to now dive into is this asset, Boomcrash market, because it's very, very important, as I have actually released a course on how to trade this market. This is a trade I have already placed, and I have to actually work on the SR because it's already in profit. So I have 12 my SR. I have 12 my SR. The profit should be somewhere here. Let's do it again. Okay. Um, let's do this. I'm trading into break even. uh let's modify, and then let's modify. So let's move this one here. So the race keyword will be so much big. So as let's do it again. Let's do it this. Let's put it here. So let's go. Yeah, let's modify. So you can see this is what we mean by selling a crash market. When you sell a market, you predict that the price will go down, so the price is going down to hit the take profit. And when you buy a market, you predict that the market will go up. So what I did is just selling. But I'm going to explain to you what I mean by crash and bull market. So in 1 minute time frame, that's what we call time frame. So this is when you click on the screen, you see this button pop up. This is the time frames. So I'm not here to teach you the overall course. I have already recorded the video courses and creating the PDF. The PDF is on the sale. If you want the PDF alone, you can get it at $100. But if you want to buy both the PDF and the course, you get it at $250. But the truth is, we are running a 40% discount right now, so you can get it at lower price. Okay, both the PDF and the video courses at a lower cost, like a discounted price of 40% discount. That is, if you calculate the 40%, let's check this, the 40% discount, meaning that you are paying 60% of the actual price. Okay, you're paying 60% of the actual price, which is 250. So you are paying $150. Also, you don't need to miss this opportunity. Okay, so a, what is a crash market? A crash market is a market that creates a small bullish candle, that is buying candle, because upwards means buying, downwards means selling. So it creates upwards price actions, or this discrete price bands, because these are called price bands, because this is a range. Each candle has a range. The open and the lower, and I'm sorry, the open and close price represent the range. This is open, this is close price. Okay, for a bull candle like this, buying candle or bull candle, this is open, close price. So it open low and closes high. So that's why it is called bullish candle. So it's a market that creates a steady range of bullish candles or uniform bullish candle over a period of time and suddenly drop in price or spike. Okay, so these drop are bearish candles because it open high and closes low. Okay, so they are called bearish candles. So a crash market buys steadily or buys with a uniform buying range and then create spontaneous selling, like a selling that happens immediately without delay in a microseconds, and these are called spikes. So another market, which is boom market. Okay, I'll be using the 1000 just as I used Crash 1000 to explain Crash. Whatever we said in Crash 1000 happened to other type of Crash, and so whatever we are going to say on the 1000 gonna happen to other type of booms, which are 1000, I'm sorry, 500 and 300. So a boom market is actually a selling market, like it sells with a constant selling range. So you see this, these are bearish candles because they are catered to selling. So these are selling candles. This is the open price high and low and close price lower. Okay, so in a boom market, it creates a uniform bearish candles that suddenly experience a rising price or what we call spike as well. Like that rising price will be a bull candle because a rising price means bullish behavior or buying behavior. So a bull market keep selling steadily at a steady rate and suddenly experience spontaneous buying. Okay, and that buying is spontaneously because it happened within a microsecond or ticks. So you are going to be taught in the book how to actually trade, whether you buy or sell, whether you trade the spike or you trade the steady candles, like the range, the steady range, the uniform candles like this, uniform candles. You can see these are uniform candles. So the course is actually in the store now to start selling. All you need to do is to enroll for the course. How do you do that? You contact me with my email address, which is in the description of this video. You also can go to my YouTube channel. You will see my Telegram link. You join the Telegram channel and then contact me via my Telegram handle that is always present in the pin messages on the Telegram channel. And then the other way is to shout me on WhatsApp. Okay, you don't need to waste time here because this is the only way you can make money trading this asset. Okay, actually, I'm explaining this with a demo account for security reasons. You can't see my real account because if I show you my real account, it will, expose my secret word. Because I like keeping things secret, but I'm here to help a lot of people make money because it's a business. Because I can't make this money alone. I need to allow some people to have access to it. So you have to start changing your life by registering for this class. I'm going to show you some of the profits. You see, this is a demo account. Um, so I'm going to show you what is happening here. So you can see this is a crash market. We are in profit of $26. Now we sold two lot. Each position is two lot. What I mean by two lot is you see this red number, this red number. You say this is two lots. It means two lot size. Okay, you are going to be taught on how to place trade and how to trade this asset. You can see that the market just went by a price change of 13 because we sold somewhere here, and then you can see we get around where the, like we measure it from the entry to the current price. So we have around 13 here. So if you multiply 13 by 2, that would be 26. And that's why you are seeing around $26 plus. Okay, so you see, you have to do this to change your life. Thank you and bye for now.